In this video, I will show you how to create an Activate Framework product package. As we can see in the slide, an Activate Framework product package contains device-specific content, filters most of the times that will support L1, L2, and L3 Activate Framework solution packages. These product packages contain, as I am saying, resources that will feed this content. We already have some Activate Framework product packages in the ArcSight Marketplace, as you can see. But if you have a device that is not currently in one of those packages, you can create one, and I will show you how to do it. Activate Framework contains different modules at the L1, L2, and L3 level. All of these modules, as you can see here, some of them, malware monitoring, entity monitoring, host monitoring, and so on, they can be fed from these product packages. And even though a product package is specific for a device, let's say for a virus solution, for a malware solution, for it's a firewall, that doesn't mean that it will only fit one specific solution package. It might fit several solution packages. Like for instance, the product that I will use to demo this is Symantec Endpoint Protection. And even though it's a malware solution, it will contain events that will fit the L1 and L2 malware monitoring, entity monitoring, and also host monitoring, because it has events for administrator login, logout, administrator created, service start, service stop, and so on. Now, how can we create these product packages? First of all, we need to go to the ArcSight Marketplace and download the ArcSight Activate Templates package. This package, which is an ARB, will help us creating our content. So, once we import this ARB, as we are dealing with a product package, we will copy the template into a different folder. And then I will rename it, edit package. This will be my Symantec Endpoint Protection package. It is really important that I use this template to create my packages, my Activate Framework product packages. It will require only Activate base, and that's it. It will be my version 1.0. Right now, it doesn't contain any resources. It will later on. I will just save it for now. Now, product packages most of the times contain active channels, filters, and rules. Rules will only be needed whenever we want to track an event from this device that is not tracked at the L1 or L2 level. Otherwise, if that event is tracked within these solution packages, we will only create a filter for it. Now, Activate product packages contain folder structures, and this, for the sake of saving time, I already created these folder structures. So under product filters within the core folder under Activate, we create our Symantec Endpoint Protection folder, and within it I create my entity authentication, entity management, product specific, system changes, and system errors folder. And I already have some endpoint protection events, as you can see. So the first thing that I need to do is to create my main filter. My main filter will be all Symantec Endpoint Protection events. And this filter will have my conditions, device, vendor equals Symantec, and also device product equals endpoint protection. Okay. Now, as I told you, my product packages will fit several solution packages. For instance, I have here logout, a logout event, and a login succeeded event. When I create my filters, I need to look for the device, for the event fields that will make my events unique. Most of the times will be device event class ID, but also it could be a device action, device category, or any other event. I have to figure out which event fields provide uniqueness to my events. In this case, I'm going to use device event class ID. So I'm going to create within entity authentication a filter for logout. Admin logout. New condition, device event class ID equals logout. And I will use my core filter. That's it. Now I'm going to create another one for a virus found that was either deleted or details pending. You see, this is important. Device action for this event is details pending, and for this other one is deleted, even though they share the same class ID. So I'm gonna use both fields to create both filters. Under product specific, I'm going to create a malware action deleted and new condition, device event class ID equals 1:03 103 and device action deleted. That's it. And I'm going to add my main filter. That's it. I'm gonna copy my conditions. Copy. Okay. And I'm going to create another filter. Malware action details pending. Paste. And here details pending. Now, as I have for within my product packages, in cases within this product package, 3 filters that will hook in 2 different solution filters. Now I can go to the wiki page, entity monitoring, and I have user account logoff. And for malware monitoring, on the wiki page, I have the filters that need to be hooked. So I go to entity monitoring, account anomalies. I have user account logoff that will feed my SEP-admin logout event. So I click on it, filter, and I add my filter. Core, product filter, Symantec, entity. That's it. This is how I hook product filters into solution filters. And I also have, this is my main channel for Activate Framework, and you can see I'm feeding some Symantec endpoint protection events. So now I go for malware monitoring, and these filters, malware action deleted and action details pending, I can put them, maybe details pending, I can put it in unresolved malware events and delete it within resolved malware events. So I go here, I'm going to add an OR connector because I will need more event filters for this kind of filter, because for deleted, for resolved malware can be action deleted, clean, fix, or any other action related to resolved. And the same goes for unresolved. So core, product filters, product specific, deleted. And that's it. I'm gonna do the same for unresolved, filter, activate solutions, core, details pending. That's it. I have these things. Now, once I created my filters, I'm going to create an active channel. I have my folder, new active channel, all Symantec endpoint protection events, continuously 1 hour, and it will have my filter. That's it. Now I will add my resources to my package, activate channels, core. I will add my core folder, also have filters. And as I was saying, if I need rules, I will create a folder for my rules, and in this way I will track specific events that are not being tracked at the solution level. Product specific, well, no, actually from here. That's it. I have all my resources, and you can see once I added, if events are coming into my manager, events, correlation events from Activate Framework will be triggered instantly. Now, I save my package, I drag and drop it here, move. By using a compare archive with current package contents, I will see the contents of my package. It's my active channel, my 4 filters, and my groups. That's it. I can now export my package. And I verify that only this package is contained within the ARB. I click next, override, and that's it. This is how I create a product package for a specific device that will have content that will hook into my Activate Framework solution packages. And as you can see, content is already being triggered from the solution packages. Thank you.